Hey guys, thank you for joining me today on today's video. I already have my peel base on and getting things pretty much ready to go, and it is about time that I used these advent calendar colors from Revel Nail because it's been sitting there on a shelf for 8 months now. Yeah, so these are the colors I'm using today. This color is called Allure, which I just bought from Revel, but this is the combo that I have mixed up, dreamed up. This is what I want to do because there are some decals from Poshy Nail Designs. Is it Designs? I really suck at this. Yes, Poshy Nail Designs. She came out with new decals, water slide decals. Oh, look at these. And these floral ones are to die for, and literally that's the whole reason why I picked these 3 colors to go with the decals. Like, I think they're going to complement each other. So I'm excited for this mani. I'm driving myself like full force into fall. I know it's not September yet. Please don't judge me. And today I'm going to actually use gel liquids. I'm not using dip powder liquids. I want to try the gel method because it's been a while. But to start off, I'm going to put Allure. I'm going to work with my glitter and then my solid later. So glitter first, solids last. So I'm going to put Allure on my nails and then move on with my life and everything. If you haven't seen my tutorial on the gel method, I'm going to have that linked here so you guys can see it and really just read the whole description on why anybody would use the gel method instead of dip liquids, because I don't want to like ramble about the same thing I've already uploaded before. And since I'm using gel liquids, I have to cure this in my nail lamp for about a minute. So I'm fast forwarding through that so you don't have to watch it over and over. And when that's done being cured, I think I'm going to do one more layer of the glitter and call it a day on the glitter. When I do the gel method, I actually don't encapsulate my glitters in clear because the gel top coat is so thick. It basically poses as a clear layer on top of your glitter. It's really cool. I think that's one reason I really love the gel method. There's no activating, hardly any filing and buffing. I just really love it. The only problem obviously is if you don't like a nail lamp and you don't want to deal with that and the curing times and all that, there's that. But the curing times kind of take place of the filing and buffing. One sucks, the other one sucks. You just kind of drool. Allure is so gorgeous, guys. Revel just restocked this color like last week. My friend Nicole MacArthur sent me a few samples from her own jar because I was oogling over it and had been sold out forever. And then she sent me some, and then literally the next week Revel restocks. I was like, go figure. But look how beautiful it is. It's got like this like nice green color to it with rose gold glitter, it looks like. That's why I picked this advent calendar day 18 color with it. I mean, actually it was Nicole who she came up with the color combo for this decal set because I was asking in every Facebook group for help on how I can make what colors to pick with the water slide decals. So she picked out this advent calendar color, and I'm so glad because I've been meaning to use the colors from this calendar. And I really love this color because I feel like it picks up the rose gold tones from Allure. She actually didn't use Allure in her mani with his decal set, but I have like a color combo that I like to do. One day, let me ask. Oh, by the way, I have to pour this over because it's not as easy as glittery. You can't just push your nail into it because it kind of gets all over the place. So that's why I'm using a spoon. Plus this jar is a little bit bigger than the half-ounce jar I had. Anyways, back to the point of what I was talking about. Color combos. Like, I know I struggle so much with finding what color combos will work best. And then you're like, well, what finger do I put what on? Well, I figured it out for myself what I like. And I've learned that I like 2 solid colors, a glitter, and then a nail art. And if I don't do nail art, I want like a decal or a shimmer or something, or even a third solid color in there. I'm really liking how this is coming together. What do you guys think? Also, I don't think it's anywhere on the internet yet, hasn't been talked about. If it has, I'm sorry, I'm wrong, please correct me. But there is a nail collab going on really soon, like a video collab, not a sale collab, but a video YouTube collab with 13 or 14 of us. I can't remember the exact, it's 13, I believe it's 13 of us, and we're going to be doing videos from the 1st to the 13th of September, and I can't wait for you guys to see that. So that video is going to be coming soon. I'm going to be uploading on the 4th of September, just to FYI. That is my scheduled date. I'm super excited, and I'm going to be doing a decal set from Poshy Nail Designs for that collab. I'm excited for you guys to see that because obviously I love Poshy. I have so many of her decals. They're so absolutely gorgeous, and like, there's some artwork that I could not pull off on my own nails, like freehanding, that I'm able to get because she puts them into decals, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm excited about the decal set that I'm going to be using, and the inspiration it came from is going to be interesting, and I'm definitely going to talk all about that the day that you guys watch the video on the 4th of September. So please subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to be notified for that video. So I'm almost done with the dip powder portion. I have one more layer of the green, which is Pine by Revel Nail. And by the way, I've been loving using this toothbrush on my nail instead of the stiff brush I usually use from the Dollar Tree. I feel like it's been a little too aggressive, like I've been hitting my skin a little too much. So the toothbrush is a soft toothbrush. Works good, better than those fluffy brushes that don't get a thing off your nails. Just a thought, just saying. If some companies could stop carrying them, that would be great. No, I'm just kidding. We all have our preferences. Just, you need the dip powder to come off your nails so that your liquids don't turn to shit. And I guess I can just tell you now, because you're going to see it in a couple minutes. A situation happens. I know that's not a word. I want it to be a word. I'm just going to say it that way. I get to a point where I'm about to use the decals. I've used them several times before in the past. Absolutely love them. I did not realize these were as translucent as they were. Not the whole decal, but like the background that looks like greenish blue was pretty translucent. It didn't look greenish blue on my nail, so I had to scrap that and start over. So for those who love seeing my mistakes, you're about to see it very, very soon. But here's what's not a mistake is all the other nails I've done so far. I absolutely love how they turned out, and I love this color combo, and I'm really, really into it. All right, here you go, guys. Here's the mess up part. And it's not messed up, it's just I wasn't satisfied with it being as translucent as it was. So this decal set comes with so many options. So I'm trying to figure out what size I want and like exactly which one has like the most flower real estate, because not every single one is identical. And then I take my nail scissors. I have little cuticle nail scissors that I use to cut out my designs. You can use regular or large scissors. I just find this gets closer to the edge than the larger scissors, and I can get like more control and precise around those edges. So that's why I use these cuticle trimmers, because I don't trim my cuticles. Might as well use it for something, right? And then, so what you have to do when you're using water slide decals is the reason they're called water slide is because you have to put them in water in order for the backing to slide off. And if you're using gel products like I have for this whole mani, it is super duper easy. So all you have to do is put a layer of gel base on your nail, stick it in your lamp for like 30 seconds, minute, however long you want to. And then when you pop your water slide in the water, you let it hang out there for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And then you pick it up, slide the backing off of it. I feel like I'm giving you guys a tutorial. I'm so sorry. Anyways, you slide the backing off of it, and then you can put it on your nail. And I did that. But then I realized I didn't really like how translucent it was, so I had to start over. So basically, since I have clear builder gel on my nails, I needed like an opaque background, so something white, something stark, solid, that would make the green background on this pop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a color in my stash and try to dip over my builder gel and like fix whatever I did. So basically that little decal had to go in the trash, my bad. Lesson learned, if you guys have that set, I warned you. I told you, hey. So this is Pina Colada from Revel Nail. It is not a stark white. I kind of feel like I should have pulled out a stark white, but I don't like their color Veronica because I feel like it's pretty grainy. Like, it's like chalk, for lack of a better comparison. It's not my favorite. Actually, a lot of brands out there, their white is just chalky. Whatever. Personal grievance. It's personal choice. Some people love it, I don't. So I do 2 tips of Pina Colada on this nail, and then I'm going to go through the whole decal process all over again. So here I am adding gel base to my nail, and then I'm going to add the decal over the nail. So hey, enjoy what I'm about to do since it's repetitive. I guess it's time to chime back in and update you on what's going on. I'm trying to position the decal, and this is actually why I love gel base. It kind of gives me the time to push the decal around until I get it perfectly in place. And then I'm taking a nail file and I'm trying to file in just one direction to get the excess off, but I'm always afraid to damage. So I'm taking a little just cleanup brush with a little bit of acetone on it, very little amount, and I'm just manipulating the excess that's hanging over my nail to go underneath the nail. And the reason I'm doing that is because the acetone kind of melts the decal, but I'm not going to sit here and try to melt it off. What I actually do is I put my gel top coat on over this and I cure it. And after it's cured is when I file off the excess, because I know I'm not going to ruin the actual decal that's on my nail. So not sure if anybody else does it that way, but I like filing off the excess after the gel top coat's on. And if you somehow mess up your gel top coat, you can add another layer, but at least your decal's protected. And once I get all of these nails top coated with the gel top coat, I'm pretty much done with this mani. So while I'm finishing up, I have questions. Halloween. It's coming up. I've got something special planned for October. A couple ladies and myself are getting together and doing something awesome. Anyways, that's coming in October. Not going to say much until it gets closer to time. But what are you guys planning for Halloween manis? Let me know in the comments if you have bought all the colors imaginable. All right, see how I'm pulling off the excess decal now that it's cured? Because I'm not going to mess up my decal. Anyways, back to Halloween, because that's what matters right now. Have y'all been buying all the effing things? Because I have. I've missed out on a couple launches and restocks. Daisy Tips, damn it. Her Halloween launch was actually really pretty, and I slept on it, and then she actually came out with more cute stuff. Anyways, back to my mani. Hi, it's here. It's done. I'm just going to shut up now. I'll talk about Halloween another day. So here's the finished result. I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. And if you guys did too, I would appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.